Hello guys, I'm a Halion Quiz to tell you in this tutorial how to find out iCloud status of any iPhones quickly within a minute. Yes, we will check it out that either your device is a blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, or simply you forgot your iCloud password. And ID, due to that, it has been stuck on, especially iCloud status or locked on it. So, how do you find out? Just simply here is a special blacklisted, that is a blacklisted status, and that is especially the claims. So how do I? So simply guys, here we have checked out. We will have to come on especially IMEI pro.info, and the phone of course we will check it out on here that is best any IEMI number and the phone of course we will have to make it that I am not robot. So then of course you can easily so I would like to show you live just we will you don't know IEMI numbers of any iPhones, and then of course we will connect it through your tool and the motors. We'll have to go for here give it trust, and of course all the detail will come. So then of course we will click also this IEMI number, and simply we will have to paste on this. We will have to come especially IMEI pro.info, and of course you tap on here this IEMI number cam here. Now just we will check it out. So let's see all the detail will comes. Now see cam here. It's a totally clean model number. So of course you can check it out also either your iPhone is a fake or real, of course. So easily by a free of course you can access, that is a special IMEI pro.info, and of course just we will have to mention here that I'm not robots, and then of course you will get this kind of a detail. So this is all about. Yes, to know more information that FMI is enabled or not on this particular device, then of course by the clicks on this and go for there. This is all about. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.